how to manage screen time on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to watch helpful tips and tricks, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how can you manage your screen time on TikTok and regain control of your app uses. So first of all, open your TikTok app and go to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you'll see settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then under content and display, tap on activity center. There you'll see all your screen time data. Tap on it. And then there is daily screen time. Click on it. And you just have to set daily screen time. And you can choose how long can you spend in TikTok in a day. So you can custom a limit per day or set the same limit every day. I'll set the same limit every day. So I can change the time to 40 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes according to my wish. You can even custom your time. And that's it. Now you can effectively manage your screen time on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.